everybody, it's your girl Chrissy M and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be diving deep, and I mean diving deep, and trying out these new Juvia's Place product. They came out with a bronzed and blush collection and I wanted to get my hands on it. So before we hop into the video, if you are new to my channel, hey, what's up? Welcome to your girl's channel. All my new subbies, hey, what's up, y'all? Drop some comments down below how you feeling, what kind of content you want to see coming from me. My channel is all about makeup, fashion with some vlogs. If you're feeling that, by the time you make it to the end of the video, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload the videos, because you're not going to want to miss anything that I bring. So let's go ahead and hop into it.
Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford.
So now I'm gonna go in and start at the crease, and I'm just going to tap in this deeper shade. It's almost like of a brick color, almost like of a rustic brick reddish tone. It's really, really pretty. And we're just gonna place that at the crease. You guys, I absolutely love Juvia's Place palettes, eyeshadow palettes. I mean, they're so pigmented, they're so pretty. Plus they have so many. They come out with a variety of different ones, you know, different palettes with so many colors and themes to them. So really definitely support the black owned businesses, especially in the makeup industry, because it is just so necessary and we are so talented. There's just so much to go around, okay? Okay, so now I'm going in, I'm cutting my crease. I'm using the Juvia's Place, their primer shade 1. This is like the worst part for me. I feel like I always have to focus and concentrate when it comes to cutting the crease because it's so tedious, so I normally do it off camera. So, okay, so I'm going in with this pretty golden shade. It's almost like a, ooh, what can I call this shimmer, this metallic. It's more golden. It's really, really pretty. Placing it on the crease, and it is showing up. The other shade did not have that much pigment, so I'm like, I'm not gonna use that one. I'll probably use it at the front corner of the eye, just for a nice little highlight, because it is a little bit lighter than this color here, but this is so pretty, so stunning. Okay, so I went ahead and added my lashes. I added some like jewels and stones just for the look, just for looks, and also a winged eye. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Hard Candy. This is their mattifying primer, just to prime my face some. Definitely want to send it. I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place foundation today. Finally got my hands on it and I've been loving it lately, so we're definitely going to touch into that today. And it's really a good foundation, to be honest. Definitely more medium full coverage. I really like it. I really, really do. So we're gonna apply that today. So now I'm going in, I'm adding the Jason Wu. This is their matte translucent setting powder, and I'm applying it all over my face just because I have oily skin and I want my foundation to last throughout the day. This is really good. It's a Clean Beauty at Target. I don't know if you guys check it out, but I will do a full face tutorial on this brand because I really, really like this brand. Okay, so right now I'm just going in and I'm placing the foundation like all over my face, just like dotting it with my foundation brush. Now, after I get done doing this, I'm going to go through with a slightly damp beauty blender and I'm just going to blend out the shade. I feel like this technique is so much better because when you do it like this, instead of just brushing it on or just literally blending it on with a beauty blender, it makes your foundation last longer and just looks so much like nicer and smoother. So I've been doing this and I love the way that my foundation turns out. So, and I never go up underneath the under eye, you guys, as you already know. I think I told you in my previous video. We're just going to cover the forehead and anywhere around those areas, and then we're going to do our concealer. Okay, so now I'm just going in and I'm just blending out this concealer up underneath the eye. The shade that I'm using is number 6 in the concealer, if you just want to know. Also, I will tag everything that I use in the video down below and in the description, so if you're wanting to shop it, you can do so. So we're just going to blend that out, and then we're going to set it with a banana powder. Okay, so I'm going in with the Huda Beauty. It is their baking powder. Their baking powder is amazing. I have not yet touched the Juvia's Place setting powder. I need to go grab me some today, honestly. I've really been wanting to try it, but the shade that I wanted online is sold out, so I'm gonna look into like an Ulta store to see if they have any of it. So for now, we're just gonna go with Huda Beauty because I really like their baking powder. I think it's amazing. So we're just going to set up underneath the under eye. I don't like to let it bake anymore. I used to really like bake, but now I just like tap it in up underneath the eye lightly, and then just kind of go from there. I think it gives like a more better look when you do it like that. Although I'm not opposed to baking, but the way my life is set up, it's like go, hurry. So we're just going to do that, placing it on the areas where I highlighted. And you know, this has a slight perfumey smell. I don't know if you guys have noticed that, or if you've tried the Huda Beauty baking powder. Let me know your thoughts about it. Drop it down in the comments. I just really want to know because I like it. I like it better than my Laura Mercier. All right, so now we're gonna go in with the Juvia's Place. This is their bronze, new bronze palette. I have the shades hand. Just look at the shades right here. The shades are so nice. I'm gonna use this darker shade here. When you're using a bronzer, you wanna do 1 to 2 shades darker than your actual skin tone. You don't wanna go any deeper than that. It'll kind of conflict with your actual foundation and your makeup. So I'm just going to use this bronzer. I'm honestly gonna use it as a contour for today. Normally you would use the bronzer to warm up the face, you know, at a little warm, you know, where the sun hits you at. You'll add some there, but you know what? Let's just go ahead and contour with this palette because it is blending like a dream and it is absolutely gorgeous. I can say that this is really cute. You guys can see that. I'm zooming in. Really nice on the face. It's really nice, really soft, but it blends so nicely within the skin. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the blush palette. Let me show you the tones again. This one's more of a pretty orange. Let's get up close. Pretty orange here, and then we have the almost like a magenta pink there. These colors, so pretty, so pretty. Even though it's orange, it's not super bright of an orange. Like, it's like the right orange. Okay, so now we're gonna go in and we're going to do the gloss, the liquid gloss. It's by Juvia's Place, of course. We're going to with Caramel Rose. I absolutely love this tone, this shade. It just looks so pretty. I've lined my lips already with a brown, a deep brown liner by LA Girl, my favorite. They have the most best lip liners. And we're just going to place this on my dry ass lips. Okay, so that's going to conclude today's video. I absolutely enjoyed playing in these new products. They're bronze and blush collection. If you have not yet checked it out, definitely head to the website because these are fire. I mean, even the contour is really good. The blush is, the colors are so gorgeous. It's so stunning. So definitely something that's worth having, honestly. If you made it to the end of the video, hey, what's up? Welcome to your girl's channel. My name is Chrissy. Hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos because you don't want to miss anything that I bring. So, see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.
Life is what you make it. Life shit been amazing.